Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So this is my very humid ear canal straight away here. This is fine end. I didn't even bother trying to get the standard straight in there because it's just such a narrow little ear canal.
I was going to say quite bendy, but it's not too bad actually.
It's sort of, on first appearance, it does look like it's got a very pronounced bend, doesn't it? But it looks like it's kind of eased off a little bit now. There we go.
I hate these ones.
You never know, it might all come out in one go. Or it might not, like it did there. So it's just gonna, we're just lifting off the side of the canal wall. Let's get this going, lift him up there, all the way. Yeah, these are the ones where they kind of peel from the front to back, and this. But look at all that keratin coming off there. Yeah. Obviously, all like concertinaed up in there.
Oh,
is that going to break?
That's looking like it might all come away.
Oh, I done. Our top left corner looks like it's hanging on in there to me. It might do.
You can't remember, can you?
I can't at all. I can't remember this at all. These are what we tend to voiceover ones we've done that week, but this might have been one that we did Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and we can't remember it by the time we get to Friday. Oh, it did, Taylor Green. Look at that. Oh, you called that, look. I didn't have faith in myself, and I didn't think I was going to come out all the way.
You owe me a tenner.
I do. That eardrum there looks perfect. A little bit kind of mushy this side, isn't it?
I was just going to say, it looks really wet on this side. Usually from where the patients use more drops.
Yeah.
Some people do feel like they've got a worse ear.
Yes.
So feel a bit more blocked up in the one side. So tend to use more drops in that particular side, which it's not too bad actually. It looks a bit more... looks are always a little bit deceiving with the wax.
They can be with these.
Like at first glance, they look really wet and mushy, and it's actually more on the dry side more than anything, which is... Sometimes
you get this kind of smooth layer, especially if they've used historic drops. So we find, I tend to find if patients maybe used, they've been feeling blocked. Look at that. That's nice. Look at that coming out. Yeah, and it came away in one. Look at that bad boy. That is awesome. So we get so excited about ribbons. We know this excited in front of the patient, by the way. Internally, yes. Externally, no. So look at that. Swinging it around. We don't do that.
We don't do that.
No, I'm probably not. But me and Taylor would if we were taking that. We said this here, I'm sure we would. So I forgot, completely lost my train of thought now, but
sorry.
That's all right, don't worry. We were talking about something. It couldn't have been that important. I can't remember. Guys, if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you're looking to get wax removal done, don't forget you can either book yourself an appointment with myself or the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We've got loads of experience with wax removal. If you're unsure or you're not in this area, always check out the Healthcare Professions Council website. Check that the person you're seeing has HAD usually in front of their number. That usually means they are a hearing aid dispenser or an audiologist, so we can actually see you with lots of year experience. Yeah, just be careful out there, guys. Lots of cowboys out there at the moment. Just putting it out there. 5.5 centimeters.
Two and a slither inches.
Yeah, two and a smidge.
Because I can't read the smaller numbers.
Two and a dot.
Too far away.
I think it's. Hang on. Let me get it because I got very focused now. Let me get the right bit of my glasses. 2 1/8 of an inch. We're getting old now, Taylor. That's the. Well, I am. I don't know about you. We'll have to have it on like a stick. We can just pull it closer to us and go, oh, that's what it is. Then put it back again and go over that. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching that video today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me and Taylor do voicing these over. As always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.